Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachland, and today I'll be walking you through the 2018 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. This boat has a full white gel coat with stainless insert that looks gorgeous. Very good combination. And is powered by a 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Telescoping boarding ladder. So we'll jump on board and take a look. Even with the outboard, Sea Ray does a great job. You still have a walkthrough to get to the other side of the transom on the swim platform. Very large rear deck sun lounge with backrest. Stainless steel hardware. Igloo cooler integrated with a cooler under the back seat as well. More storage behind the passenger seat. Dual captain's chairs to port and starboard. Dash with Rockford Fosgate sound system. And moving forward to the bow area, very ergonomic seating with wraparound backrest to provide comfort when you're facing fore or aft. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland, MarineMax Clearwater, 813-503-2649. You can give me a call, set up a demo, or stop by the showroom. Thank you.